This will be my 6th summit.
This is probably my 4th or 5th.
It's my 2nd summit. I was in London last time, but yeah, it's always very exciting.
Every major company in the digital media ecosystem has a major presence here.
The networking that we do here is quite incredible. This event is one of the events to be at.
AppNexus is made in New York.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the AppNexus Summit. And so I'm really curious why you decided to join the AppNexus board.
Well, it's an awesome company. It's double awesome, and it's in a unique place in the world. So it just wasn't a hard choice whatsoever.
Russ Glass. Russ, will you be my first guest on the first ever ad tech talk show? Come on out. So Russ, I know everyone out here in the audience really has just one question for you. How can I get an exit like Bizzo?
Bizzo, from the very beginning, was completely focused on solving a very specific problem. And by doing that, it allowed us to say no to a whole bunch of stuff and differentiate ourselves, and that's really what got LinkedIn excited.
We've actually been working on the issue of fraud and all its many components for about 3 years. We as an industry are responsible to correct this issue, and certainly you're taking a leading role.
With these kinds of problems, you have to really see and comprehend the whole system in order to be able to improve it. My team and I are so excited to get to work on these problems, to solve your problems, because you are our universe.
AdTech Power Game is a periodic thing. It's characterized by the Goliaths of the industry, making big strategic bets at an accelerated pace. And I think it's going to change the landscape for every company here in some fundamental way next year.
First you were a client when you were at 24/7, and then you've been a friend and a mentor when you were at Recycle Bank, and now you're sort of inside the castle.
We're going to have so many opportunities in the upcoming years. Which ones are we going to choose to do?
Look, it says AppNexus Conference with Greg Nelson. Dude, how awesome is that?
We've done really good work together on RTB, right? And I mean, look at Max. You should take a lot of credit for this. It's tripled in volume. It's 50 billion impressions a month. Our companies are going to do some really interesting work together to advance the whole state of the industry, I think, in this space.
In AppNexus, we think that we've found a tech company that will help us run our business and achieve our goals, as opposed to try and run our business for us.
And what you've seen, if you're following closely, is that we've made some big bets. The acquisition of OpenAdStream, our deals and packages roadmap on console, and Twixt.
I think AppNexus's acquisition of OpenAdStream is one of the most exciting things that happened to our industry in years.
We're currently building product faster than we ever have before. And our secret really is focus.
If you focus on what makes you special, what makes you different, you have a real chance of standing out in a very complex environment.
So today, we're taking the first step towards solving the problems of ad quality in the mobile ecosystem with a solution that we call AppNexus Insight.
You have to go ninja.
We were really amazed to see how deeply you learn our product needs.
Through the innovation, through the focus, through the collaboration, and of course, by being independently minded, we have a chance to thrive in the ad tech power game, to create a better internet, and to define the future for our entire industry.